Good evening YouTube and welcome back to another video after a really long time. So guys, today I've got something for you, and today, without wasting your time, in just a minute or two I'm going to be telling you guys how to identify between the fake and the real Apple AirPods. Alright, so there are many fake Apple's AirPods available in the markets, which are so-called the first copy, and the sound quality is terrible, the feel and the comfort is terrible, but most of the people are betrayed by those fake AirPods and are not able to identify between the fake and the real AirPods. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to identify between the fake and the real AirPods. So there are 2 or 3 things that I'm going to be showing you guys that you can use to identify the real AirPods. And if the fake ones do not include those things, they of course do not include those 3 features, which means they are fake, and you shouldn't be buying those AirPods if you're looking for the original ones. Most of the times what happens that some companies, actually these companies are the market followers, okay? They copy the original look of the Apple's AirPods, they produce the fake ones and sell those copies, and make their place and take the Apple's market share as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get it started and see you in the next shot with the AirPods. So guys, as you can see, I've got the AirPods here on my desk, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the things that you can use to identify these AirPods. Alright, so first thing is that, guys, I don't know if my camera will be able to show you this or not. Let me zoom in. Okay, so the first thing that you should consider is that you see this metal inside your AirPod, right? This one right here and this right here. Okay, you can use this to identify your AirPods. The fake ones, the metal that fake ones consist is of low quality and is often of blue color, but this one is iron. This one is pure iron. Okay, and the other thing that you can use to identify the original Apple AirPods is that, guys, this this material is more like a rubber. This is more like a rubber, soft, and the one the one material on the fake ones is more like a plastic. It's more like hard. It's not, the other one is not soft. The original ones are soft and the rubber type of feel. And the third most important thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys will blow your mind probably. At the end of your Apple AirPods, let me get that for you. Wait a minute. Yes guys, so at the end of your Apple AirPods right here, you will see one thing. Let me focus and zoom in on this thing. I'm trying to record this, I think I cannot. I don't know guys if you can see or not, I'm trying to zoom in here. Okay, so it was really hard to get this thing in focus. I've played with the settings a lot, and I've been I'm able to do this for you guys. You can see on the cable it says designed by Apple, assembled in California. As you can see on the back of your iPhone, the same thing will be written on your Apple AirPods cable. From the 3.5 mm jack to just a little above right here, you will see this thing written, guys. So when you're buying these AirPods from a third party, from third source, and you've lost your original ones from the box, and you're buying and going for the third ones, make sure you check these things. If your AirPods include these things, which means they are 100% original AirPods, and you can buy them safe. So yes guys, that's pretty much it guys. And if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel. And at the end of this video, I will be putting some video sequence from my vlogging channel. And if you like that, make sure you subscribe my vlogging channel as well. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.